What's up, traders? Happy new week. I wish everybody a profitable week. So guys, welcome back to KeenFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor from KeenFX Academy. So guys, welcome to today's market analysis. As you all know, if you have been in my Telegram channel, you will know that I always trade 4 markets. That is, I trade NASDAQ, Gold, BTC and USOIL. So that is the only 4 markets on my watch list. You understand? And that is the market we are going to be analyzing together in this video. So I'm going to share my screen now so that we go to the chart. I don't want to waste our time on this video, so it's going to be a quick one. So guys, on the screen now is XAUUSD, which is good. And last week I took this particular trade. There's a setup I sent to my Telegram channel. So if you are not on my Telegram channel, check the description of this video. The link to my free Telegram channel is there. So we drop free signals, so I don't charge for anything, because also I'm in a growth way, like I'm developing, you understand? So, and through this I don't want to distract myself with any teaching or selling signals or all those things. So until I get there, so once I get there, I can start charging for service. But now let's grow together, you understand? That is why I offer everything free, even mentorship. If you know that you like my style of trading and you want me to mentor you, come. It is free. It is free of charge. I won't charge anybody for mentorship for now, you understand? But when I get there, we can start collecting money for the stress we have passed through, or the night candles or everything. So now this trade, I took this trade. I dropped these signals on the my Telegram channel on the I think on Thursday, you understand? So I dropped this signal. And what did I see on this particular trade that made me drop these signals, you understand? So I see this particular order block here, that is, which I confirm it by this on tap price. Then I confirm the break of structure, you understand? So if you have been following me, you know my strategy. So but if you don't know, you can check my previous video, the immediate video I dropped before this video. So that is my strategy. I unlock my strategy. So that is I think the title is unlock my trading strategy. So this successful, I think, I didn't remember, because the video was titled by AI, you understand? So I didn't actually remember, but I unlocked my strategy. I think that is the beginning of this. But if you check the last video I dropped on this channel, I may add a link to the to this video so that you have access to it. Yeah. So guys, this is the video. This is the trade, rather, sorry. So this is the trade. We took this trade, you understand? I'm not sure. This is not the trade. Yeah, this is the trade. This is the trade, because the trade did not got to my TP before I closed. Later the trade got to the TP, but I didn't wait till it got to the TP, because that day was closed. So I don't let end of my trade run to the next day. So I close my trade at 7 p.m. every day. So no matter, either the trade is in loss or I'm in profit, no matter the condition of the trade, I always close all my trade at 7 p.m. You understand? That is my trading rules. So I send these signals, you understand? So the question on my mind is, number one, this is not my A setup. The reason why it's not my A setup, because I can't confirm real liquidity or inducement at this level. I just use this, that let me use this level as an inducement. let me consider this as a liquidity, you understand? So and I want price to come to induce that level, tap into my other block. If you have been following me now, you are in my Telegram channel, you will know that I always wait for confirmation on the other block level. I didn't use a pending order, you understand? I didn't use a buy limit or sell limit that's commonly used by the other block trader, you understand? So because there's nothing that is not possible in the market, so I'm not an aggressive trader, so I always wait for confirmation, and that has been working for me. If the price come here and I tap into the other block and go back without giving me the confirmation I'm looking at, I'm okay. So far it is my rule, I'm okay by it. So I always wait for confirmation. So and what is the confirmation I see? You can see this rejection here, you understand? You can see this I think this is shooting star, right? So you can see this shooting star candle, you understand? So and I just, as you all know, if you have been following me, I always go for 1:5. So I enter the trade from here, so I put my stop loss somewhere here, then I target 1:5, I think somewhere around here, right? But I close the trade around here, I think around there, where it's 7 o'clock, this is 6:30, I think. Yes, I close the trade around here. That's when I close the trade, but the trade went to my TP before the next day, before the morning of the next day. The price is TP, but I've got us already. So guys, let's analyze market for this week, you understand? So I just said I should just show that. So let me go to this week, let's analyze the market. If you can all know, if you know about market structure very well, so nobody is going to tell you that the market is in downtrend, you understand? Because there's a structure to the downside. This lower low has been taken out already, you understand? So and the market is preparing to create, the market has already created a new low, you understand, trying to create a new lower high. So where is my predicted area? So this is my predicted area that the price is going to retrace back into this zone, you understand? Once the price retrace back into this zone, I wait for my confirmation, then I sell. So if you're on my Telegram channel, you have nothing to worry about. So once I see what I'm looking at, I'm going to send this into my Telegram channel, then we make the market together as we always do. So guys, that is that on gold. So let me quickly go to the NASDAQ market. That is my favorite, you understand? NASDAQ, I've been trading NASDAQ for many years now, you understand? That is why it's my favorite. So I just switched to gold and BTC others. I only trade NASDAQ before. That is why if you want to be profitable in this market, and or you want to master the game very well, choose only one market, you understand? Once you choose only one market, you will know the in and out of that market, and also discover yourself on time, know where your problem is, you understand? So that is the market that showed me who I am, because forex, like I said, forex will reflect you, the reality of you. Forex will show you. So and I know that it's not that show me that I have anger issue, you understand? Anytime the market show me what I don't like, I will try to protest, or let me say take revenge. So and the thing will backfire. So I learned a lot from NASDAQ. That is why it's been my favorite market. So as you can see, NASDAQ has been dropping. It has been dropping, you know. So you can see that the NASDAQ market has been falling, you understand? So, but let's look into the market and see the immediate situation of the market. That is where we take our own decision. So this is what I can see. This is the immediate situation of this particular market. So I can see that the market has been creating a structure, you can see, and this is the last structure. This is the last structure here. This is the last structure. So what am I looking at in this particular market? So I'm waiting for a retracement back into this origin, you understand, this other block. So, but there's something common for NASDAQ, you understand? NASDAQ like to create a gap during the opening session of new week. So markets, it may open at this level. You may see something like this. It will create this gap, or you see something like this. So NASDAQ like to create gaps during the opening session of the week. So it's common. You can you remember I told you that I've been with NASDAQ market for a while, so I know about this very well. So NASDAQ like to create gap. NASDAQ likes to create gap. So if by luck it doesn't create gap and the market move the way I expect it to move, you understand? So I expect the market to move in this manner, tap into this, then fall. But if it eventually create the gap, so we have to be patient and look for another point of interest. That is that on NASDAQ. Now let's go to the BTC. You know that Bitcoin has been falling heavily for a while now. So what can we see inside this particular market? You all know we don't have to go against the trend. There is this particular trade I took on this market on Friday before the NFP, which make us close the week early. Which make us close for the week early. This is the trade. You understand? So I have analyzed this market and dropped the signal on Thursday. I think Thursday morning. But the price come to tap into this one on Friday and give me this entry and an enter immediately in less than 1 hour. I think we got to the TP and we closed for the week. You understand? So if you're on my Telegram channel, you will know you will relate with what I'm saying. So but if you're ready to join the Telegram channel, the link is under the description of this video. Try to join the channel. We grow together. Nobody is teaching anybody. There's no master. So we are all students in the hand of the market. So what am I looking at in this particular market? So I'm looking for a retracement back into this zone, and the reason is because Bitcoin don't like leaving price on top. That is one thing I like about Bitcoin. It doesn't like leaving price on top. Leaving price on top in the sense that market doesn't forgive the imbalance candle. You understand? So market like to Bitcoin like to make sure it mitigates all the gaps, all the fair value gaps. You understand? So market like to clear all the untapped price in the market. So we expect price to create an inducement any area from here, then tap into our entry, then we continue dropping because Bitcoin is going to drop. You understand? So let's go to the last on our list, so which is USOIL. So let's see USOIL. So automatically on this USOIL now, so I can see two things. Okay, I've already analyzed that market. Let me delete my analysis and show you. You understand? I can automatically see two entry. You understand? So there is this sell. This is for sell, and this is for buy. You understand? So I'm going to explain the reason why. So the reason for this buy is because I can confirm this change of character. You understand? This change of character at this level, and this is break of structure already. So I can take that for a change of character. So what I'm looking out for in this particular market is that price should come, tap into this one, come back here, then we drive up. So that is my analysis for this particular market. So guys, if you're on my Telegram channel, you have nothing to worry about, because once one of these markets is trying to click, I'm going to share the setup into the channel. So if you have not joined the channel, click on the link under the description of this video. Let's make the market together. Let's make the money together. So guys, I wish you happy trading and wish you a profitable week, and make sure to always trade responsible. So guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe to this channel. So if you don't want to miss an educative videos like this, so guys, I wish you happy trading.